Hi, it's Amy from Amy's Mix of Creativity, back with some more sticker books from Happy Planner. Again, like I said in my last video, I'm not at all associated with Happy Planner. I am just someone who loves their sticker books, and I love sharing what I've purchased for others so others can see what these books look like. I'm doing them faster because I don't want to take too much time doing this, because this is just, you know, a little bit of what I want this channel to be about. But when I first started getting Happy Planner books, this one's called Bright Florals, by the way, and I'll just talk about this while I'm showing the inside of it. This one is from 2023. It was one of the ones I got for quite a good discount recently. Really pretty florals in here, just like really pretty colors. Again, as I say with all these videos, you can always take these and use them in different ways, and, you know, use them in card making, use them when you're obviously boxes like this are a little hard to use in other ways other than planning, but you can always, you know, cut them apart and use them for backgrounds. Again, too, if you want, just cut off the decorations. The reason I'm talking like that is because I know a lot of people who do planning have lots of these sticker books, and then it's like, what do you do with them other than use them for planning? Well, you can use them for all kinds of different things, and make use out of them. Have them be in, you know, your embellishments that you use. If you take some of these, like florals, put them on a backing. These are, you know, these are what called clear stamps or vinyl stamps. They're very thin. They're plastic. The other ones are made of paper, but these are plastic kind of stickers. You can put them on a backing, like if you put them on this white backing here, and then you could cut them out around them, like fussy cut them, or you can use a Brother Scan and Cut, which would scan the sticker and the cut around the sticker. Of course, you know, you always have to make sure you have a border. You know, that type of thing could become a little bit of a pain if there isn't a distinctive border around where you're not so you're not cutting into all the intricate details. You can cut into intricate details, and let me keep moving on with these. You know, you could do that with the Brother Scan and Cut if you have one, but you don't have to. You can just do around the border. Okay, some more vinyl. Nope, these are paper. So you got vinyl and paper. Here you got foiled. I guess these are these. Yeah, these are clear too. Sometimes it's hard to tell by how they feel, but these are clear stickers with foiling on them. Really pretty. Here, some blue foiling. Different designs. You can use these flowers and decorations when you're making stuff, when you're making cards. Okay, oh, pops of color, really pretty. So yeah, so I'm just trying to give people an idea about what's out there. When I was first looking at Happy Planner, I really wanted to see all the different, you know, sticker books and what they look like. And so yeah, so check out some of my other videos if you want to see more. Ooh, that's cool with that pink foiling. That's not a usual thing. That's something you see usually. And this is not just one big sheet of paper. This is like little, pretty good sized circles. So you actually get the design quite a bit on there. So yet again, these can be used in decorations for when you're doing scrapbooking or card making, or any kind of, you know, anything where you want a design that's, you know, will pop. These will definitely pop. That's what these were meant to be. Or there's bright colors. I love it, but I don't know. I'm not sure what I would use these for, but maybe as focal points on cards. Maybe put them on envelopes when you're sending an envelope. Give it a little extra pizzazz. So this is the vinyl sheet, and then they have a paper sheet. So you have options. One tip that I would say is that when you're taking, especially with vinyl sheets, you can, it almost started coming undone, that's why I thought of it. You can take the whole entire background out, okay, and then you just have the stickers. on there. Much easier to take the stickers off, I have to say. You know, definitely something to consider when you're buying these, because sometimes it's a little tricky. You might want to get you know, tweezers. Tweezers will help in removing the stickers and putting them on. Okay, now I love this page because especially the birthday, I can use that for any kind of card, you know, with happy birthday on a card. Or if I'm doing like a invitation, celebrate, you know, like for a party or something. Or it could just be used on the envelope or on the, you know, on a gift bag, or yeah, so there's options. So there's different ways you can use these now. Obviously, these half circles could just be, you know, in your planner. Obviously, the little planning things they have to throw in there, of course, because it is a planner book. All the deadline stuff, yeah, but it's still cool to use it in any way you choose. Don't forget that that's what these are about. They're not supposed to stay on the shelf or in a drawer or in a box. I know I have a bunch, but I'm trying to use them as much as possible. So here's, oh, I forgot to say what this is called. This is called New Aura. This is a sticker sheet that's mainly for planning when you're, you know, for wellness. I have a chronic illness, so I'm always, you know, thinking of how to deal with my appointments and all that. So I trying to get like a wellness planner together. Look at that shine. That gold shine is really pretty. Oh, I like this pastel look too. Almost like it's like like you can't really see it. It's kind of like blurry. I haven't really looked at these too much, so some of them are surprising me. I like the purples and the mixture of colors. Kind of looks ombre-like. Yeah, so yeah, so you know, planners don't have to be just for putting down your schedule. It can be for helping you cope with something. Like if you have a chronic illness and you want to keep track of things, or if you want to just keep track of your health, keep wellness, your exercise, you know, keep trackers for habits, like if you want to start drinking more water, which reminds me, that's why I'm probably dried right now. Dried out, that's why my mouth's, why I sound maybe a little hoarse, but it's also because I do have allergies and I'm dealing with other issues too, which maybe I'll talk about more in the future video. But right now I just want to show how cool these are. I love the different colors of the effect they have. It's almost like tie-dye, but like really muted. So yeah, so it's different. This is really pretty. I like this a lot. The colors are muted, and then you have a very fine, very delicate font that looks really pretty with the gold foiling. More gold foiling. Love it. Okay, so this is one of the reasons I picked up this book, because I was like, wow, that's intriguing. I don't really know what that is. I like it. These, when I say I don't know what it is, I'm like, you know, I know it's leaves. I just never saw anything like that where it's like kind of faded out that way. And they are like, you know, very thin vinyl clear stickers. So it's interesting. I don't know how I would use them, but I want to use them because they really look cool. Okay. Oh, my fingers don't look cool, but anyway. Here are some zigzag. That's pretty cool too with the foiling. Oh, and some that aren't foiled, that are just colored. Kind of trippy looking. Kind of cool. Now you got a bunch of words that are in that interesting ombre effect. Here's some trackers. So say habit trackers almost. But yeah, so here you got all kinds of different ways to use this book too. And like I said in the past book, don't feel like you have to use it all. Just in your planner, use them on, you know, on special projects and cards. It's just so cool. Yeah, these are like things I've I've never seen that before. So hopefully, you know, you get some ideas and, ooh, pretty sayings and some really pretty colors. And hopefully, you know, I've helped you with finding out some different ways to use some of your stash. Some of, you know, I know with me, like probably with you, you probably have a ton of books like this. Or if you're just a paper crafter and you don't have a bunch of these books, you know, God bless you. That means you probably aren't going crazy with all the other, you know, maybe you don't have a huge stash of different things. But if you want to find different ways to use your stash, whether it be stickers, papers, pattern papers, anything like that, stick with me and I'll hopefully give you some good tips and hints and techniques on how to use those type of things. Okay, I hope you can subscribe, and I would like you to keep watching my videos, giving me some feedback hopefully, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. It will make my day. Have a good one. Bye.